how to activate 2 WhatsApp business accounts in one phone. So if you want to activate 2 WhatsApp business accounts in one phone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings. And here you need to go with search. And here you need to search for clone apps or dual apps. You may have this option on your settings. It might be clone apps or dual apps. In my case, it is dual apps. So it's available in every Android device. Tap on dual apps, tap on create, which will be in the bottom. And here you will have your WhatsApp. Right. You need to go with your WhatsApp business. So in my case, I don't have my WhatsApp business downloaded. So if you have your WhatsApp business, what you need to do is just simply go with WhatsApp. And here you will have the dual apps option, right? You need to go and turn on the dual apps and then tap on turn on, which will be in the bottom, and it will create dual apps, which means you will have 2 WhatsApp business accounts in one phone. And now it has been created. You can go back, and as you can see that your dual app will look like this. Tap on it and then log into your account. That's how you can activate 2 WhatsApp business accounts in one phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.